What's up, Locked Up gang? It's your girl, Lyrically Locked Up, bringing you guys another video. I'm sorry. I know I've been gone for too long, but I'm back, so let's not worry about that. So we're gonna get started with this. I'm bringing you guys a deep conditioner, and this is a balm treatment that you can do on your locks all the time. So right now I'm just cutting up my aloe vera. It has so many benefits. I've said this so many times before. So I'm just cutting off the edges and then cutting straight down the middle, and then we're gonna slice this puppy up so that we can put it right into that NutriBlender. I'm using one of those because it gets those pieces really small. You need these pieces small, and then disaster hit. So now that that crisis was averted, back to what I was saying. You need the pieces to be as small as possible, or you will have aloe vera chunks in your hair, and that is not the business, like at all. Not in this century or ever. And plus, you know, you don't want the birds to come picking your hair and think you a nest, because that's not the business either. So now that we have all our pieces, we're going to seal up this container to blend, but make sure you don't throw away your extra leaves because we're going to use that later. So just put those to the side, and let's change the view so you can see better. So I'm just going to pulse this at first, and then we're going to blend completely until you have no chunks left. I'm serious, guys, about these chunks. Get them going. So I'm just gonna blend this up, and it's gonna be nice and frothy. It's nice and frothy, like beautiful. And then, you know, check it out. Wasn't satisfied, blended it up some more, and then we're gonna head to the bathroom. So here I am, ta-da! And that's our mixture. So I'm gonna transfer it into another cup, and we're gonna add some goodies into it. So I have jojoba oil, pure jojoba oil here. So then I just used one droplet or dropper. I don't know what the hell this thing is called. I'm sorry. Yes. And then I used castor oil. I just eyeballed it and squeezed, you know, an eyeball amount, not a full eyeball, you know, guys. Just, you know what I mean. So right now I'm just showing you my hair, what it looked like before I did this treatment. And this was actually post apple cider vinegar detox. So, you know, we are working with fresh locks here, and I'm just going to slap it on here, you know, and this was messy. So please make sure you use a shirt you do not care about. Make sure you use a bathroom you don't care about. Mama's carpets that you don't care about. Your carpets you don't care about. It's messy. It got everywhere, literally. Sis, what is your hand out for? Would you like some money? Put your hand away. Bye. Like, what was that? I don't know. I think I was trying to show you what was in my hand. That was a fail. But yes, this is, the texture of this is very wet, snot, slimy. Don't be alarmed if it feels like it's not spreading everywhere, because it is. It's going everywhere. It is. It's absorbing into your locks, and that's exactly what we wanted to do. So I'm gonna be quiet and let you guys watch the process. So make sure you guys squeeze it into your locks. Really make sure it penetrates all of your locks. And then this is what I'm left with. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk today. What is going on this good old Saturday? So remember that other leaf or that I was telling you to save? So we're going to use that on our face to do a nice little, you know, a little mask. Give a little treatment with a treatment. I'll just play. So yeah, just make sure you wash your face, and then we're going to use the other side of the aloe vera, or what's left of it, and, you know, just use that extra gel and just give ourselves a little aloe vera mask. It's very beneficial. It's going to make our face nice and smooth like a baby's bottom. It's nice and silky skin. That's what we want. We want babe to touch our face and be like, girl, what you do to yourself? Like, that's what we want. Good.
6.5 hours later.
Yes, I know that is a frightening sight. My face is crusty, but it dries crusty. But we're not worried about my face. We're worried about the hair. That's what we came for. So I go in the shower, wash my face and my hair, and this is what I'm left with. My hair, do you see the shine? Like, a moment of silence for the shine. Like, that is crazy. And you know, I haven't done a hair shake in so long. So, Maestro, can I get a hair shake, please? Yes. And this is just what my hair looks like after the treatment. Look at the shine. I'm gonna show you guys, like, look at my roots, look at the health. It is perfect. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye. Love you.